Hi friends, this is Anamka Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex for analyzing the major pairs as well as minus gold, silver, copper, crude, US30, Bitcoin. So before we get into this analysis using Elliott wave theory, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully. So let's move on to our analysis. So this is a DXY and this is our watch list. So starts from DXY and end with gold. So let's move. And last week my new venture has opened on 30th September. My 30 years dream has been fulfilled. So I'm so busy in my retail business, so I can't able to make a video regularly like the nifty pre-market predictions, like daily what we had. I already stopped in the Indian market, so I'm just focusing only on that Forex markets as well as my retail store. So now what I expected, the DXY here is a bigger correction, but it's already failed to make that bigger corrections here. But if you look into the previous, the trend line, the channel, exactly it reached that top trend line and we get the immediate rejections there, and I'm not able to catch the wave count in DXY, but in Euro USD it's looking like the bigger fourth wave is in act here. So as per my analysis, my target for the Euro USD is got reached, DXY it's already reached, GBP USD it did, last week it did, and I will show you that my previous analysis, the weekly, my target is first to break this 1.1440, this one, and I already did. Then to break 1.0545, it's already did. The low is 1.03 here, 1.0354, and immediately bounced. So this is the positional weekly target. It's already done. So what is next? Immediately nearly bounced 1200 pips. It's maybe it could be a V reversal also. So in that 4-hour time chart, it's looking like the three-way structure here. So this is a A, this is a B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So again it is making a three-way structure, and here it's also looking like the 5 waves. So this could be the leading diagonal, and again one more three-way structures. Again it has to, again there will be a lot of corrections I'm expecting. So if you need to trade in intraday or some shorter term, you can make it this as a stop loss, and if it reached here you can go for the sell for the target to break this one, and you can use the Fibonacci also. So the same thing. So this is the target. The again 1.2 risk reward will be there. So you just go for that. But in case if it breaks and hit you a stop loss and it reached here like this, again it may be like this 5-way structure or 3-way structures in the formation of the irregular flat pattern, or it could be an expanded flat pattern, running flat or expanded flat, and again one more high is also possible to break this or this. But in my view, as per the Euro USD and that GBP USD, it's showing maybe one more down is also possible, because in Australian dollar it is not yet broken the previous low. It's very strong. In New Zealand dollar, it's only the 200 pips away for my positional target. So I don't know what will be there in that Australian dollar, but it will reach this one. So at that time, maybe after the corrections here in the DXY, little bit corrections here. So for me it looks like 1 2, so 3 is reached. So again I'm expecting the 4 and one more wave for the 5th. So once this portion is completed, so at that time there is I am expecting this whole year, maybe it's October 8th, so November and December, it could be a corrections. After that, one more high in the new year, and after that I'm expecting only this. So my target is 118 here, the next zone, but it could be, I'm not so sure about this, because always the 4th wave and the target is the 5th wave, means sometimes it could be again the 3-way structure also. So here what I written is ABC or ABWXY, and again XABCZ. So sometimes it's 1 2, this is a 3. So after the bigger correction, 4th and one more ABC, so it could took more time than what we expecting, because mind this is the weekly time frame analysis. So that this could be that 5-wave corrective pattern also. 1 2, so ABC is a 3, and again one more ABC is a 4. So again it may reach up to 101. So this could took more time, maybe 1 or 2 years like that, and after that only it will reach the target. So either way, in the either way, I'm looking only for that correction. So whether one more wave is upside is also possible. I'm not damn sure about this. I won't give the promise to here. So my target of 115 reached, Euro USD reached, GBP USD reached, UCAD is reached, UJ is also reached, USD CHF reached. Everything is got reached except Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar here. And Euro New Zealand is not at, see exactly it is looking like an expanded flat, sorry, expanded triangle. So let's again view one by one is a summary. So this is the one. I'm not able to catch the wave count here in the DXY, but I'm expecting the bigger correction if it correlated to that Euro USD here. So as per this 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the bigger 1, bigger 2, bigger 3, bigger 4, bigger 5 is completed, and this is the one, the next bigger one here, that small shallow 2, this is the third is completed. So I'm expecting the little bit bigger correction, because the shallow 2, so once the shallow 2 is appeared here, and the 4th may be a little bit complicated, and it will take more time as usual for the 4th wave. It could be a triangle, it could be a irregular flat running or expanded, and then one more low is available in my view. But mind this, again and again, it's already reached my target. So once it is going to be in buy side, and we can change this in any way. Again, this could be 1 2 3 4 like 5, and it's very easy to uh, put the wave numbers here once the market is booming. But what we again and again, what we expected, and again the same thing I'm keep on informing, it's already reached the target. So don't be again and again looking for that 5th wave, but I'm looking only for buy, not the sell here. I'm only looking to buy. So I exited all my positions, including Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. So I'm looking only for that three-way structures here. I'm expecting the previous like this to short the position, but it again failed. So this is also not coming according to my view in Australian dollar. So whether this is the 1 2, so this could be the third, and again one more fourth. So always I'm looking only for the three-way structures to short, for that looking for the target to reach this 5-5. So I don't know how it is going to be. In the previous I told is a 1 2 3 4 5, so this could be the A, and I'm looking for the B, but it failed. So in that case, this is a 1, this is a 2, so this could be the third also, A. So this could be the B and C. So A, B, C, or it's a B, C, it's a W, X. So this could be the A, and again one more B. So anyway, I'm looking only for the three-way structures to bounce. Once the three-way structure has got completed, I'm looking to short for the target here. So the New Zealand dollar also same, 1 2. So this is the one, A, B, C is the 3. This is coming according to our analysis. So I'm looking for this bounce. After that 1 2 3, and again bang to break this one. So this is the one according to our view. It is excellent. This one 1 2, so 3 is already completed. We are looking for the fourth. So fourth is always be a complex corrections. So I'm looking for that one more three-way structures to bounce to short the position to break this 0.5469. So I think we can move for Euro USD same, and GBP USD. I'm looking for the correction. So 1 2, so I thought this could be the third, but it's a deeper one. So I'm looking for the fourth wave, and UCAD, what I expected 1.34 and 1.38, it's already reached. Look at this, mentioned as a TP is 1.36, and I already informed that 1.34 and 1.38 exactly did. So now I'm expecting the same thing, fourth way. So in every way I'm looking only for that correction. So 1 2 3 4 to be a complex correction, and after that fifth to reach this 1.41. Mind this, my target is already reached, again and again informing that, because expecting this fifth wave, if you took buy, maybe again this could be the, again I can change this WXABC. It's simple, but up to the three-way structure is possible. It's already done. So I'm looking only for sell in USD CAD, not here, and I maybe took a risk to buy here also. So there is no trade for that another 1 or 2 months in my view. I just sit and I will have an uh, concentration in my new venture and keep on watching this. So I will make a video in my free time. So this is my view, and USD JPY, it is already there, same thing what I'm expecting for the bigger fourth, and it is already reached that short fall here, and I am expecting the three-way structure, but it seems like the three-way structure, or it's looking like an impulsive way, or this could be the 1 2 3 4 5. So anyway, I'm looking only for the downside in USD JPY. USD CHF same, AB 1 2 3 4 5, or this could be the impulsive wave, this could be the corrective part. And 1 second, yeah, see this is the one A, B, 1 2 3 4 5. So this could be the ending diagonal, or this could be the ABC is a A as a flat correction. Later onwards, this is the one, it's a three-way structure, and this is also, it's looking like a three-way structure here. After that, it's looking like 1 2 3 4 5. So ABC is a ABC is a B, and C is got completed. So one three-way structures, here's a three-way structure. So I'm expecting that flat correction pattern here, and here it looks like, impulsive correction, and again one impulsive, and again I am looking for the correction part like this. So in that case, again it reached here, and again if it bounds to break all this top, this could be also possible in that formation like this. So ABC is a so the B is the complex correction, and again the C, but not to break this. If it breaks this, then that will be again the bigger complex correction is in active here. So as well as it until it breaks this high, this is in the downward. My target is 0.91. This is the one I'm looking for, this zone. This is the zone I'm looking for, the bigger, this zone. So I didn't clear my drawings, so apologies for this. So this is a 1A, this is a 1B, and I'm looking for the downtrend to reach that 9.1. So we completed, just a moment. GXY, EU, GU, UCAD, UJ, UHF. So let's move on to the Australian dollar. Same as the summary is already did. So again I am explaining. This could be the A, this could be the B, C is 1 2 3, or this could be the A B C W X, this could be the A. So I am expecting the B wave and one more C wave to the downside. So in that case, this is a 1 2 3 4 in the triangle, and the fifth is already dead. So this could be the A, and I'm looking for that bigger corrections to reach that 7 4 or 7 2 like that in the three-way structures. After that, I'm looking for the downside. So anyway, I'm looking to break this 0.54. The same as well as in New Zealand, I'm looking for that fourth wave here. It could be a bigger correction, and again one more A B C to break this 5-4. So let's move on to the Euro New Zealand, and as I informed that here itself, one impulsive wave is ahead. So this is the one A B C is a B, and C exactly did, and that A B C D E in the expanded, and it is already occurred in the GBP UAD. I will show you that. This is the one A B C D E, exactly it reached and it banged, right? So these are all the one I'm expecting. Look at this. I'm not so, and you know very well about this also, I'm not keep on watching this, but it already reached the target in 1.59 here. Look at this, what I expected here, it already did. The target is got reached. So now this is the one ABC is a ABC is a B, and I'm looking for the C. So in this, if you look all the GBP pairs, and it's already reached in the GU also. So it could be again the reversal also to break this one 2.08. So if you look all that GBP pairs, you can understand where it is except GU. So there will be a little bit downside is also possible, but not that much. So look at this, how many pips, nearly 1500, yeah, almost 1500. How the GBP USD, I think, yeah, 1.5 almost. So the same pattern now, it's in Euro New Zealand. So let's move on to what else. Once again, yeah, USHF finished. So now we can move for that US30. So the US30, same, we are in the bigger corrections. So one impulsive is already did. After that we are in the correction part, right? So this is the one. If it is an impulsive, not to break this, I already informed this, but it already did. So what is meant by that? Still we are in the correction part. So previous 1 2 3 4 5, after that one impulsive wave, so this could be the connecting wave, and I'm expecting that down from here also it can to break the above high of 34, but it failed, right? So from here also I expected, and here also I expected this kind of wave. So the if the one impulsive wave, after the completion of the one impulsive wave, lot of times it's making that irregular flat pattern. Look at this, what we expected, it did the same thing. See, the market will go only the two ways, up and down, but we already predicted, that is that Elliott wave, 1 2 3. After the three-way structure, again the correction, it's already took all the stop loss here and it's keep on bouncing. But what we expected, if it breaks this low, still we are on the downtrend. But if failed to break this one, we are in that bullish, but it's already broken. So what now I'm expecting the three-way structures, and this could be like this. So one more low is also possible. So but if you look at this 1786, so in that case, this is the one impulsive, this ABC is a connecting wave, and if this could be that again one more impulsive wave, so like this A, B and C, there is a chances to break again this high, but it won't be a simple in my view. That's the thing we need to observe here, and it's already reached my target here. So I'm expecting a little bit bigger corrections only. In what kind of corrections I'm looking, as by I'm expected one more three-way structures, or this could be A, this B, C, D, E, after the triangle, and again one more low to reach this 25. It's possible. So if why I'm expecting this means in S&P 500, it's looking like a three-way structure. 1 2 3 1 2 3. So I am expecting another 1 2 3. After that one more low, so to reach here 3 3 is open. Now look at this, 1 2 3 is also possible, and again one more low. So here I am looking the bigger correction, and what kind of corrections? Maybe a triangle, maybe a irregular flat, or it could be expanded flat, running or expanded flat, or it could be a triangle. That is the only thing we can expect here, running triangle. So at the same time in Nifty also, I am expected the three-way structures, and it already did. So now here also I am expecting the bigger correction part. So if we correlate all those things, I am finding one more low is also possible to reach that 1400 in Nifty. S&P 500 3 is available. So if we call then US30 is also 25, it can reach maybe. So wait for that. So let's move on to the Bitcoin. It is struggling to break. Look at this, it's struggling to break. So if you look in the 4-hour chart, it's looking like one impulsive, one correction, and again I'm expecting the three-way structure. After this is the one A, so this is the one A, B, C, B, and one more low is also available here. So if I hide these things, this impulsive, so we are on the one more again the impulsive, it's looking like a three-way structure. So again we are expecting the one more three-way structures. After that one more low is also possible here. So lot of corrections. It is not looking like an impulsive waves. We are still in the correction part. After this impulsive, look at this. Look, this is the one impulsive in the three-way structure, A, B, and C. After this is a beautiful impulsive way in the five-way structure. After that, we are in the correction part. So one more impulsive way to the downside. After that, it will take all the stop loss here, and what I'm simply expecting here is, once again, I'm expecting this one. This is the one A. So for this impulsive, we need one correction, right? After this, one more high. So this correction will complete it here. One more low. It may or may not to break this low. So for this impulsive, A, B, C. After that, one more C and one more low. So this is the one in the bearish trend only. But until if it breaks this low, we can't give the assurance it may go low. If it breaks this low, immediately if it bounced, definitely after the completion of the five-way structure, we can go for sell. But sometimes if you place this as a stop loss, market will hit your stop loss and it will become that A, B and C as an expanded flat correction, and after that one more low. So mind this, trading the correction is very difficult, but if you clearly watching all the wave formation, we can identify what pattern it's doing, and then we can go for the trade for in sell or buy. It's according to the wave patterns. The structure will tell you what kind of pattern and where we are. So my target is definitely to reach again this zone, the 10,000 zone. So one more low is again available here. So what next? Bitcoin. So let's move on to the copper. I didn't clear all the drawings, sorry. So this is a 1A impulsive wave. Again the three-way structure. Again it's looking like a three-way structure. So let's look at this. A, B and C. So again it's looking like all three-way structures. So in my view, again there will be a smaller three-way structure. One more low to break this, then this will be the connecting part. So this is the one A, this is the one B and this is the one C. May or may not to break this low. After that one more high, then one more low. This is the pattern I'm looking for. 1 2 3. So I'm expecting the bigger 4, but this could be, sometimes I already explained, A, B, C is a B, C is a B, and this could be the C also in the flat correction. So if it is a 1 2 3, simple is a 4 and 5, but it failed, it is not yet broken this low. So if this is the end of the correction, we can expect the bigger correction also here in the impulsive wave, shorter term, and then one more low is available. Still I'm looking for the 2.8, I think so. Yeah, here 2.8. So as I said, all the commodities in that bullish up to the December, and January it can be to the downside once the dollar is going to reach the another high, the DXY. So at that time gold, silver can reach that lower level, and copper also. So let's move on to the next is crude oil. It's a beautiful trade. Yes, look at this. I informed this could be the 1 2 3, and this could be the triangle. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 could be right. So this could be the 1 2 3 4 5. So this could be the impulsive wave. or sometimes it can be a like this kind of A, B and C, one more way to the downside. But expecting this, I didn't done anything, right? I'm just keep on watching here because I'm not so sure, because if this is the one, ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, so A, B, C is a 3 also, so W, X, A, B and C is already completed, or this could be the 3. So lot of patterns we can find here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this could be that. Once again, yeah, it's already broken. So one more three-way structures I'm expecting. So after the completion of the three-way structure, I'm looking only to the downside. So at that time, crude and that equities is related to each other, so correlating to each other. So you can, at the time I'm expecting for that a little bit correction in dollars. So if the dollar is going to be a correction, and then oil can go higher. So let's move on once again. I have a little bit idea. Yeah, if in the shorter term I'm expecting this three-way structure, right? So once it breaks this, after the three-way structure, again the next target we can set is 105 to 100, yeah, 105 we can expect. So what is the bigger picture? This is in the bigger picture, A, B, C. So this is the one A, we can make it as a green, or blue we can make it. So this is the B and one more C. So A, B and C, I'm looking for the target 64 in the bigger picture. So until this is in the buy. So what X is? Silver. Yeah, look at this, A, B, C, A, B and C. So it's finished, but I'm expecting from here to the downside, but it won't immediately, it won't come. What it will do, again one more three-way structures. After that again there is will be an impulsive wave, so then this will be the corrective part. So A, B and C. So this is going to happen in my view. So once it reaches this zone, I'm expecting to the downside to reach the target here 14, or it can reach that 11.1 as my positional target. But this is a little bit doubt. I already clearly mentioned that whether this is the one impulsive wave beyond the correction part. Once the correction part is completed, we can expect this one. But if this is the one A, B and C, so this is the one impulsive, this is the correction, and one more impulsive to the downside to break this one, and again we can go for this. So this is the one pattern I'm expecting, but I'm not going to sell here. As a trader, we need to look for sell or buy, but as an investor kind, if that silver is reached this zone, or 11 or 14, just keep on buying this. I'm expecting once the gold is reached this 1400, so this could be the fourth wave. 1, 2, 3, the bigger fourth. After that one more high. That is why I'm keep on correlating to the dollar. One more high in the dollar, that brings the gold to the down, gold and silver. Once it reached this zone and dollar is reached the 118, so I'm expecting that dollar, after that dollar it's going to reach that 100 or 92 like that. At that time gold will reach again to 2000. 2200 to 2300 in my view. So this could be the end also. I have explained that. So if this is the end also, this could be the A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3 and one more 4. If it brings that 5 also, so this is the one downtrend. If this is the end of the correction of the 4th and 5th, and if this is the one ABC is the 4th, so we have to watch this zone, right? So UJ is already reached that new high, what we expected up to 118, but it's already reached this high. But gold is not yet broken the previous low of 1400. What my target what got fixed, it's not correlated here. So A, B is a triangle, and C is already reached my target of 145. So now my target is going to reach the 155, means the gold can again reach the 1400 also. So this is my analysis for coming weeks. So if I found the time, definitely I will make a video for yourself. And I'm not, that is the same thing, I'm not going to promise anything. I will do weekly, every week analysis for the forex pairs as well as all the commodity spreads. So hope you enjoyed and you learned, and thanks for your support. And the 3 years got completed in YouTube, I think last week itself, and that September 23rd is my third year completion of that YouTube. So this is the 4th year. So thanks for your support. And a lot of people are asking for that updation for that in the chart in TradingView, but I can't do that. And if I found any free time, I will keep updating my charts also in all my social medias, as well as I'm not so active in the past 3 months. From here I won't, because I already did and I already given lot of free educational videos, lot of nearly 3500 charts in TradingView. I think 3000 charts, 3300 charts like that. And in one of the forum I did the 4000 charts. So I already given a lot of things to everybody. So thanks for watching and thanks for your support, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next week or in my free time to analyze this forex markets. So until that, bye and happy weekend to everybody. See you.